The American legal system is grappling with a momentous question. Can a former president be held accountable for actions taken during their time in office? This question has taken center stage as former President Donald Trump faces a barrage of legal challenges. The recent Supreme Court ruling, though not directly related to Trump's cases, has sent shockwaves through the legal community. Legal experts are fiercely debating its potential implications for Trump's legal woes, particularly its impact on the scope of presidential immunity. This ruling has emboldened Trump's supporters, who view it as a potential lifeline for the former president, while his detractors fear it could shield him from accountability. A guilty verdict could tarnish Trump's legacy, potentially derailing any aspirations of a political comeback. Conversely, acquittals or dismissed charges could strengthen his grip on the Republican Party, fueling his claims of a witch hunt and further dividing an already polarized nation. At the heart of Trump's legal entanglements lie the charges brought against him in New York. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office has been investigating Trump's business dealings for years, culminating in charges related to tax fraud and hush money payments. The tax fraud charges stem from allegations that Trump's company, the Trump Organization, engaged in a scheme to evade taxes by providing off-the-books benefits to executives. The hush money case revolves around allegations that Trump, during his 2016 presidential campaign, directed his then-lawyer Michael Cohen to make payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels to prevent her from going public with allegations of an affair. Trump has vehemently denied all allegations, characterizing the charges as politically motivated attacks by his opponents. The outcome of these New York cases could have a significant impact on Trump's legal standing and his political future. The recent Supreme Court ruling has added a new layer of complexity to Trump's legal battles, particularly in the New York cases. The Supreme Court's decision narrowed the scope of presidential immunity, making it more difficult for presidents to claim absolute immunity from legal scrutiny. However, the ruling also acknowledged the unique position of the presidency, suggesting that some level of protection from lawsuits is necessary to allow presidents to perform their duties without undue harassment. Trump's legal team is likely to seize upon this ruling, arguing that the New York charges are politically motivated attempts to harass and discredit the former president. Whether these arguments will sway the courts remains to be seen, but the Supreme Court's ruling has undoubtedly provided Trump's legal team with new ammunition. Trump's legal woes extend far beyond the New York cases. He is currently embroiled in a maelstrom of legal challenges spanning multiple jurisdictions and encompassing a wide range of allegations. From his business dealings to his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results, Trump faces a legal onslaught unprecedented in American history. One significant area of legal scrutiny centers on Trump's business practices. The New York Attorney General's office is currently conducting a civil investigation into the Trump Organization, probing allegations of financial fraud and misrepresentation. Separately, Trump faces defamation lawsuits from women who have accused him of sexual assault. The Justice Department is currently investigating Trump's role in the events leading up to the January 6th Capitol riot, examining whether he and his allies engaged in criminal activity in their attempts to subvert the democratic process. Donald Trump's presidency will forever be intertwined with his legal battles. His time in office was marked by constant controversy and accusations of wrongdoing, and his post-presidency has been consumed by legal challenges that threaten to overshadow his accomplishments. Regardless of the outcome of these cases, Trump's legacy will be indelibly marked by the stain of legal scrutiny. The ongoing legal battles have deepened the political divisions in the United States. Trump's supporters view the charges against him as a politically motivated witch hunt, further solidifying their belief that the deep state is determined to destroy him. His detractors, however, see the charges as long overdue accountability for a president who flouted norms and abused his power. The legal battles have also raised profound questions about the rule of law and the peaceful transfer of power in the United States. As Donald Trump navigates the treacherous waters of the American legal system, the nation finds itself at a crossroads. The outcome of these legal battles will have far-reaching consequences, not only for Trump himself, but for the future of American democracy. If Trump is convicted of any of the charges against him, it would send a powerful message that no one, not even a former president, is above the law. Such a verdict could serve as a deterrent against future abuses of power and reaffirm the principles of accountability and the rule of law. However, if Trump is acquitted, or the charges against him are dismissed, it could embolden him and his supporters, fueling their grievances and further deepening the political divide. It could also set a dangerous precedent, signaling that presidents can operate with impunity and erode the norms and guardrails of American democracy.